Yes, my beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, your boy Blacks out here, you see me? Alongside Bush Lord and Crespo the General, you see me people? Yeah man, today we in our bush, we are look some mango. And the General say I'm gonna make a bad juice, coconut mango splash. So I want to stay tuned for that, you know, people. Yeah man, and big up every viewer, every subscriber. So people, just go and keep it locked to the channel. Bush Lord, I go make the drinks, me I go do some cooking. So people, stay tuned. Yeah man, you have to make use of it, you know. Pick up man, Lord.
Yeah people, that's them. Nice stringy mango. Yeah, with some ginger. I know coconut juice or sweetening too. Yeah, but when I stay tuned, I'll see what go on definitely still.
Bush Lord say, come on go man.
Only possible waste people, understand? Them are the natural ways, see? Natural drinks all the way from the earth, you see? Yeah.
Yes people, look in our back. Yeah man. Real way people. Coconut mango splash. First time I go try that people. People, I can't wait to reach down in our yard. So keep it locked man. Out there, yard and abroad, big up on yourself. Yeah man, heart of love. Yes, my beautiful people, welcome back to the channel Jamaica Lifestyle Blacks TV. Yeah man, today people from the see the big pot, you don't know what I go on though. Some crazy cooking I go on, but today, may I tell you, Bush Lord I gonna make a bad juice to you know people. What name? The coconut mango splash people. So, I want to see that you know. What name? Coconut mango splash. So people, you know, stay tuned. Remember to hit the notification bell, the subscribe button, like, comment and share people. Just keep it locked. Yard and abroad. Big up on yourself. Yeah man people. Yeah man. A beautiful people. First thing we do, get the hand wash, you know. Yeah man. Yeah. Get some water in this. Some water in this. Yeah. Yeah man, then what we are going to do now? We are cook everywhere the chicken, you know, people. You see what I say? Food everywhere we are curry today, you know? We meat water already washed already to, you know, peeps. You see me? So you know it go. Knife kinda dull, you know, peeps. Yeah man. Good old. These are the chicken gizzard. Yeah, man, everywhere we are curry to the people. Yeah man. Even the liver. Yes, my beautiful people of the world. Yeah man, cooking at it best. The chicken, you know, people. Yeah man. Cut him in a two. You don't know we are going to try cut him on as fine as possible people, because You don't know you're surrounding up people. When pot done, amount of people we see, so really and truly we have to, you know, cut it that it can share. Yeah man people, so take off the time skin. Don't know, we don't really want too much oil in our way. Now we're cooking people, so take off some of them skin, my peeps. And peeps, I tell us that the knife kind of dull, you know. So, come on, we pre-cut it, then cut it again, my beautiful peeps. See it there? Yeah, man. Put him over there, so you know. Yeah man people, as I said, I use too much of the chicken, skinning of the chicken in the people, because you don't know the fat. Yeah man, we don't really want too much oil in our curry, you know. So start cutting people. So the knife kind of dull, my peeps. Yeah man, people, cut off the leg quarter, you know. Yeah man people, so vinegar, I'll use some vinegar. Yeah. Wash off with chicken. See there? Yeah man. Then vinegar wash him down, peeps. White and nice, you know. See there? Yeah man people, that is it man. Yes peeps. Peeps, so what we are doing now? Put some all-purpose on it. So make it go and marinate until we add the rest of season them. So we just put some all-purpose on it for now. Get the food ready, because you know we are cook with chicken second. So we will get with dumpling and with banana. Yeah, and we yam in the pot. When we get that in our pot, you know, so then we can get back to with chicken. So just go and stay tuned, man. Yeah man, the people, so another wash on, you know. You know, you know. Yeah man, we just bring the banana and the yam, yeah. Cornmeal there in our flour. Already had the salt. You see it? So right now, yeah man, we are going to knead him up here now. I see how skill me be in the people. I see if I can make one show. And that can, you know, angle the business. See what I go on? No sir. Yeah man, I have to make we dumpling them fast, because long time butter boil up my peeps. Look like you want to go make some people. No sir. So I want still. you're good. Knead up a flour them. Yeah man, in the kitchen with there. Yeah. Backyard. Now make no big ugly dumpling today, no people. Yeah man, I gonna make 5 flour differently for bush lard, you know. Yeah man, we make 5 flour differently for him. And we are fix him up today, you know, people. Yeah man. Real general, you know, people. He work hard, you know, so you know where we go. So we are make 5 flour. What do you think, 5 or 4, Crespo?
5.
5. The kitchen hot, you know, peeps. Hot. People, so we say we are going to make some special flour for you general, you know, either 3 or 4, you know, making. You know? No say them that for him. You know what I mean? Yeah man. Some brothers. Yeah man.
So one of them that
See if you can make it. Yeah man, people.
people will have to zoom in on that one, you know.
Some special flour for you general, you know, peeps. Yeah man. So one, you know. Know what I mean? Now I go see your bush lard bad to the people. Stick in bush lard.
But see, 6 bread, you know, them man they eat, you know, and then sitting there normal and want more, you know. When them man they eat food, you know, normal, you know, peeps. I tell you. But that size, them people. We catch you and
Then I check in there, you know, peeps. Yeah, man. You see them here, people? Bush lard, them and name them on them, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, see it, yeah? Yeah, man, he done just a check in to see him there. One piece of yam you can eat, sir. One piece of yam you can eat.
normal.
Yeah, man, the people. So, they always I say the yam. Not tough like the banana, you know. So, you peel off the yam them, you know, peeps. You get me? Yeah, man, yam time. Remember yam or something, you don't know where all these scratches, you know, peeps, you see me? So when you're hungry, you have to hungry it fast. Yeah man, and really make the stain and it catch your skin, you understand? Yeah man, you have to peel it. Good as well. Knife kind of dull, people, sorry I can't really stop the short meat now. But we'll get through with it, people. Yeah man, good old nigga yam then call it. Renter. Yeah man.
I say bush lad, very knowledgeable right bush, you know.
Yeah man, see the people. Cut them over here, so put them in here, so today. If you wash. You know people. Yeah man. Bush lad, you want your yam then cut special to my boss?
No, we can't put on the same.
Some people say food for days, but them man say food for years. People say the party I am now. I like when it a dig, it get damaged, you know? Either the machete or something. Damage it, you understand? So, I try to cut out it. Too. Yeah man, I think today is good enough. Yeah. Yeah man, people, so peel the other one as well too. So the part here, the gummy part, my boss.
Yeah, and
stick on wall.
You know the difference it with
So this is yam always yam.
renter, you know the difference is with it from the Sylvans, you know. This can stay for all a week and not spoil. But the Sylvans, you know, 2-3 days spoil. And I mean that I chicken that I
After
like
I cook or before I cook?
before I cook. And if Sylvans put on, even 3 days spoil. Friend of the pan fridge.
Are the softer one them?
Yeah, but the renter now can put on for 2 weeks. Nice and gummy same way. Yeah.
People don't know here.
Yes, man.
You know, I get the education.
Real, man.
Yeah, so we never learn that on Jamaica Lifestyle Blocks TV. Yeah, man, see there. Good old yam people. See the people. Yeah, man, the peeps. So I'm going to restock with some water, but before that, I didn't yam them people. Whoa. Yeah, man. Some yam in the pot. So one general dumpling them float, you know, people. You see it? Look there. Eat that, you know. Float. Yeah, man.
Real.
Yo! And the whole of them float, my people. Look there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, man, my people, so the banana them now, you know, people. You know, we don't really peel them banana because them soft. Not true, you see them big, so them soft people, so. Meanwhile, we share them, we take them out of the skin. You understand, so. Banana them, this, my peeps. Yeah, man. Just like that, my peeps. Yeah, man, let me see one look at those on them. Yes, my peeps, so wash down with banana them now, you know, people, because you don't know. As we said, we have put them in the skin in the pot. You don't know where you go. Yeah, man, so wash them off in the pot. Yeah, man. So them banana are big, but them don't tough, people. Yeah, man, the first time I see them, I say them tough. Yes, peep. Noxy flower, them a float. Bush lad, you know. See the people. So, all aboard in our pot, you know, people. Banana, yam, and dumpling in our pot, people. So, we just make that one boil. You get to me, I say cook. Meanwhile, we work back on with chicken, so go and keep it locked. You see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, my peeps, so season now. Yeah, man, this is going out with curry chicken. You get to me, I say peeps. Yeah, man. So we do clean them up first. You know? Clean them up, then we let them wash up. Yeah, man. So they raw vegetable, you know, people. Clean them up, my peeps. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We bell pepper this now, you know, people. Yeah, man. We bell pepper. So we just do cut out the seed them. Yeah, man. See that? Yeah, man. Peel we Irish now, people. See that? Yeah, man. This are the Irish who kind of give it gravy the body, you know. As they say, we take off the skin off of the chicken, so what I got now, you're not going to get no whole heap of oil in the gravy. You get me? So I go on the beautiful peeps. Yeah, man. See the peeps. this away. Onion. So a piece of ginger as well, peeps. Thyme and really look effective, so well I use all of it. Yeah, pepper over there. Get your scallion up and ready. You know what go, people. Yeah, man. Food for well full of flavor, you know, my peeps. See it? Yeah, man. Well full of flavor, people. Scallion, you know? Yeah, man. Get them ready, my peeps. Yes, more. So people, what we are going to do now? Wash them up, you know? Yeah, man. Wash them up. So peeps, after we wash up, you know, the next process I cut up, you know. So we cut up with Irish first of all. Yeah, man. Cut up with Irish. Yeah, man. Cut up with bell pepper. Not really cut them too small, you know. Yeah, man, I want them act as a part of our food, you know. Yeah, man. To the scallion now, my peeps. I don't know how we do it. Lifestyle Blacks TV. So, don't know, people. Thing of a colorful and nice, you know. Then we just take a good look on what I go on, you know. Yeah, man, carrot them are really big, you know, peeps. So cut them. So that my people, you know, as I say, we now mince up with veg them, cause want the pot colorful. Yeah, man. So the carrots them, cut them the size, dice them the size, yeah. Come on, so it all up, you know. Yeah, man. See there? Yeah, man, we now use all of the Scotch bonnet pepper because we don't want we think too spicy. You know, bush lard him not too condone the pepper, you know. So people, what we have left, remember we have with ginger. Yeah, man, we just have to cut with ginger like that. Cause who don't know, the ginger get the curry. Nice sugar flavor, people. So we are gonna make them here go and stay now. Get to meat in order. Yeah, man. So we are gonna check on we dumpling them. Yeah, man. Dumpling them well boiled and ready, you know. Bush lard this, you know. Yeah, man. See the people, bush lard. Yeah, man. Banana them. Look like them boiled and out, you know, peeps. Yeah. We put one next 5 minutes. Yeah, man. And ready. Remember, we had some all-purpose already, so we have to add some chicken season to it now, you know, people. I tell you, say, one whole chicken in the pan where we are curry, you know. You get me? Yeah, man. Add some chicken season. Yeah. After that, you don't know anything me I cook. We put some salt to add some extra flavor. You get to me as a people, and then stir him up, people. Yeah, man. Stir him up. Backyard cooking, you know, people. Yeah, man. Our style of cooking, yard cooking. Yeah, man. See it there? Yeah, man. So see it there, we have a chicken well seasoned. And we raw vegetable, raw seasoning. You get me? Yeah, man. So see the raw seasoning, them people. We want to keep it locked, man. We are going to get on with chicken pan fire now, because you don't know, we food don't cook. Yeah, man. see, rain come in and mash up the thing in a peeps, but we just have finished the cooking, find somewhere to go eat in a peeps, you see me? Yeah man, see it there? Rain and mash up the thing, but it's still a go on. Stay tuned in our heart of love and blessings in a people. You hear that?